Hey guys, it's Sophie back with another video, and today I'm going to be showing you guys my squishy and slime collection because for Easter I got a lot of squishies and then I got PVA glue we can shame from, so I mean, why not show you? Because I've been collecting slime and squishies like all of a sudden so I've been collecting them lately and I mean, why not show you them? So I have 5 slimes and I have 5 squishies. I don't have a full bag of squishies, but I do have quite a lot of squishies. And I'm really thankful for them. So I'm going to do one slime, one squishy, and yeah. So these 2 slimes I'm going to keep till the end. So this slime I'm going to start off with because I like it, but it's really messy. So I've got beads on all of them. Yeah, all of them. So this one, the beads go everywhere, so I'm just going to kind of play with it in my hand. And in the tub, I'm not bringing it out because the beads go everywhere and every single bead comes out. So yeah, it's in a Play-Doh tub because I never had any tubs, so I just put it in one of my little sister's Play-Doh tubs. It's got so much beads in it. And by the way, these are all homemade. Okay, so that's one slime. So let's do one squishy. Right, start with the biggest squishy. This is like a little panda bun. And it's really slow rising. I really like it. So yeah, I need to set you guys like that. That's so annoying when I don't. Oh, should I brought my tripod, shouldn't I? Okay. Right, and then one slime. So this one also has beads in it. And it's one of my favourites. This one is one of my favourite slimes because the beads don't really go anywhere. The beads don't go off, but they do kind of pop out, as you can see, but they don't go everywhere. It's quite a big slime, to be honest with you. I can't remember if this was the slime. Wait. No, I don't know if it was. Might have been though, because I had this other slime. I can't remember if this one was it. Right, so move on to the squishy. So the squishy is a little red thing. Super cute. And the last slime I'm going to show you is this one. I'll show you the 2 at the end. It's a blue slime. I really like this slime. This one's another one of my favourites. Also have beads in it. If you guys want a slime smoothie, I will do that in the future video. This is like a blue colour. If you can't see by the lighting, but it's like a blueberry type of colour. Everybody's using these tubs now, ones with a little when you swipe it down, you get air and stuff. Everybody's using them for slime now, so I'm just yeah, I'm just gonna do it as well. I mean, may as well. So now I just got squishies to show you guys. So next one is this one. This one is super slow rising. So you can see this one's super squishy. It's another panda. I have this donut. Just trying to go through this really quickly. This one. An emoji. Another big emoji. Some aren't as squishy as others, so a little bread loaf thing. This really squishable I hate these wee things. They annoy me. Let's lose them properly. This thing. This with sprinkles on it. The sprinkles feel real, but they're not. This like fluorizing bread. I got a lot of bread. A little tortoise. So cute. And then this little evil ghetto person thing. And another loaf of bread. Oh, another bit of bread or whatever that is. Don't really know what that is. Me and my sister traded because she got some as well, so we traded them. And this one's so squishy. Another loaf of bread. Another loaf of bread. Okay, like a little biscuit, green biscuit thing. This one's like my favourite, it's so cute. This one I also really like. Like a little biscuit or something. By the way, just to say, I'm not bragging in any shape or form. I'm not bragging. I'm not going, oh look at my squishies, like the best. Like I'm not. These are just what I got for Easter. I am not bragging one little bit. So yeah, just making that clear that I am not bragging in any way. Just wanted to show you guys these because I thought you guys might like it. So I am not bragging in any way, any shape or form. I'm not bragging. This little guy. This has a bead on it, this other loaf of bread thing. A little tomato, it's so cute. Oh, I don't know where to set it right. And a little panda, a small panda, really cute. These are my last two. Other little bit of bread or something. And this little guy. So yeah, you guys, that's my squishies. There, now I'll move on to these slimes that I was supposed to show you guys. Oh, phone moved. These all back in the bag. Oh, my phone. So, I did make these, but they're not mine. I made them for for Grace and Evie in my class because it's their birthday, and I like kind of missed it, so I wanted to make them birthday cake slime. So this is their birthday cake slime. So shout out to you, Evie Barrett on Evie and Grace Barrett. Please go subscribe to their channel. I wish you a happy birthday. This will probably upload tomorrow, so sorry about that, but happy birthday. Hope you had a great day. And yeah, and also happy Easter. So yeah, so this one, I don't really know who's. They can kind of just like wind yourself, so it's beads. So sorry even Grace, the bead kind of fall out. Sorry about that, I can't really help that, I don't know how. So yeah, it's that one, and then this one's whoever they can choose a new one. So this is their slimes. I made them for their birthday because I feel really bad that I didn't get them a card or a gift, so I made them some slime. So yeah, that's it for this video. Please like, subscribe. Please get me to 40 subscribers. I'm so close. Or even 50. I would be so happy if that would happen. That would be a dream come true. So yeah, oh, I've just got this little golden egg. Oh. Okay, I don't really like milk chocolate though, but oh well. I'm more into dark chocolate. Everybody in my class knows that. So yeah, hope you guys had a great Easter, and even Grace, hope you had a great Easter and also a great birthday. And yeah, love you guys, all of you guys. So yeah, bye guys.